If you suspect you're being tracked, or if your phone just warned you that an unknown device is moving with you, take a breath. Do not smash the device, and do not throw it away. We are going to find the tracker, secure it so it can be used as legal evidence, and permanently shut it down. First, evaluate your immediate safety. If you feel you are in imminent danger, dial 911 right now. If you are secure, pull over to a safe, public, and well-lit area. You don't need any special tools for this. Everything we are about to do requires only your smartphone. By moving methodically and documenting your steps, you protect yourself from the immediate threat and secure the exact proof law enforcement needs to act. Step 1 is locating the device. If you use an iPhone, you likely received an alert and can use the play sound feature to pinpoint it. Android users, however, do not get native warnings. If you are on an Android, you need to manually download Apple's Tracker Detect app from the Google Play Store. Run a scan to see if a device is nearby. Listen closely, but know that you cannot rely on sound alone. People intentionally disable the internal speakers on these trackers to keep them silent. You will need to physically search your vehicle. Start with the exterior, checking inside the wheel wells and running your hands beneath the bumpers. Next, check the interior. Feel deeply between car seat cushions and empty out your purse, backpack, and the pockets of your coats. You are looking for a small silver disc, slightly larger than a quarter, with a white plastic backing. Finding the tracker confirms your suspicion, but we need to carefully secure it without compromising the crime scene to build a viable legal case. Step 2 is preservation. The moment you spot the tracker, stop. Do not touch it or pull it out of its hiding spot. Take out your phone and photograph the device exactly where you found it. Capture clear images showing how and where it was concealed. Step 3 is securing the digital trail. Take screenshots of any alerts your phone generated, making sure the maps and timestamps are clearly visible. Extract data using near-field communication. Keep the tracker where it is and tap its white plastic side against your smartphone's top edge. A notification will appear containing the serial number. Apple retains pairing history for 25 days, giving law enforcement a narrow window for records. Tap the notification link to open the full details and immediately take a screenshot of that serial number. By pairing photographs of the physical hiding spot with the digital serial number, you have created a direct chain of evidence that police can use for a subpoena. Step 4 is neutralization. We will permanently cut the tracking signal by removing the power source. Take hold of the tracker. Press down firmly on the stainless steel backing with your thumbs and twist counterclockwise. The metal cover will pop off. Lift that cover away and pull out the battery resting inside. This is a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Removing it completely depowers the device. The second that battery leaves the housing, the tracker goes offline. Your location is completely cut off from whoever placed it there. Step 5 is the handoff. Place the battery, the metal cover, and the plastic body together into a clear plastic bag to preserve them. Compile any threatening text messages, emails, or voicemails from anyone you suspect might be monitoring you. Take the sealed bag and your printed screenshots directly to your local police department to file an official report. Because of how frequently these devices are misused, there is active civil litigation targeting both the individuals responsible and the tech companies involved. Consulting with an attorney can clarify your legal options. If you need immediate guidance or support, dial 1-800-799-7233 to reach the National Domestic Violence Hotline. They are available 24 hours a day. Resisting the urge to destroy the tracker allowed you to capture the proof. You have neutralized an active threat, protected your privacy, and armed yourself for justice.